Hey, what is up everyone? It is Mercedes and I am coming to you live on my new vlogging camera. So today I'm starting my journalism student day in the life vlog. I'm just going to show you guys what it's like basically to be in the Ryerson School of Journalism. So I'm currently in my second semester of journalism. I just started about 3 weeks ago and it's challenging, but I absolutely love it. So without further ado, here is the day in the life of a journalism student. What time is it?
12:27 p.m.
This is what we do on our break. We just come and lie down. We're really sleepy. We don't really want to go to lab, but we gotta learn. Hello, this is my friend Maria. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm in first year journalism with Mercedes. I transferred from Carleton. I did a year there in their journalism program and then transferred here. Ryerson is such a good place to study journalism. We're right in downtown Toronto where all the action is, and the professors are amazing. You'll have such a good experience, and if you want to be a journalist, I would highly recommend this school for you.
What a testimonial. Okay, so we are just sitting in lab here. Hello. We're just working in a little group right now to figure this out and be true journalists. Yeah, here's our tripod for the day. So what we're doing today is taking a story where we get new information every 10 minutes and then producing a headline and a deck and then a bit of a body for the story to practice our breaking news skills.
So basically doing a story with very limited information.
I am now here at the OSAP protest, March Against OSAP Cuts. There are a ton of people here in Yonge-Dundas Square getting ready to walk to Queen's Park and see Andrea Horvath and a few other officials, I believe. I love it. Perfect. Have you gotten any streeters yet?
No, not yet, but there's plenty of folks here to talk to.
Yeah, I feel like people are pretty willing to talk today.
Yeah, it's like everybody's like good spirits. So it's...
Hi guys, I'm Cassandra. I'm Mercedes' best friend, just so you know. She's putting it on her head. This is what we do in Jorn. Oh my god, you really...
to cover...
No, you have to cover the ends. Like, that's the issue.
Oh, wait. Okay, I did it wrong.
Like that, yeah, that's how you have to do it.
Okay.
You can't see... You look like an idiot!
Thanks.
It's okay, you're still cuter than most people.
Here we go. Voice Record Pro, as recommended by Sally Goldberg. So that's it everyone. I am finally done with my story day, my first story day of the semester. It was a lot, I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a couple tears, I had a little frostbite, but what can you do? Journalists have to stay strong. I really thought I was going to film my Q&A in this video, but it ended up being a little longer than I thought it was going to be, so I will post that in another video that will hopefully come out in the next week or so, and I can't wait to see you all again. Bye!